What if Lexus transformed luxury travel into a spectacular two-story home on wheels? Welcome to my channel, Nitro Wings. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Lexus Sky Royale, a remarkable double-decker luxury motorhome built around an idea that immediately sets it apart from almost every conventional RV. Instead of simply making a motorhome longer, wider, and heavier, this design uses its height to create an entirely different travel experience. The result is a vehicle that combines a dramatic Lexus-inspired exterior with a spacious lower-level living environment and a private sleeping space above. From the first glance, the Sky Royale has a presence that feels more like a luxury automobile than a traditional motorhome. The deep metallic blue exterior gives the body a sophisticated character, while the large Lexus-inspired front grille, sharp LED headlights, sculpted front end, and premium multi-spoke wheels create a strong connection with Lexus design language. But the feature that immediately catches your eye is the second floor. The upper structure rises above the driving cabin and extends into the main body, creating a genuine double-decker profile. Large panoramic windows give the upper level a bright and open appearance, while the curved roofline keeps the design smooth rather than making it look like a simple box placed on top of another box. The side profile makes the architecture even clearer. The lower level forms the main body of the motorhome, while the elevated upper deck provides the private sleeping area. A flowing exterior character line visually connects both floors, helping the entire vehicle look like one carefully designed machine. Large side windows bring natural light into the interior, while the integrated side entrance provides direct access to the main living area. When the Sky Royale is parked, the slim side awning can extend outward, creating an additional sheltered space beside the vehicle. It gives the motorhome a more complete outdoor living experience without adding a bulky appearance when the awning is closed. But now, step inside the 2026 Lexus Sky Royale, because this is where the concept becomes truly impressive. The moment you enter through the side door, the atmosphere changes completely. Instead of feeling like a conventional RV, the lower level welcomes you with a spacious luxury lounge designed around comfort, openness, and premium materials. The interior follows a distinctive combination of cream leather, deep navy blue surfaces, and champagne gold accents. The cream upholstery keeps the cabin bright and elegant, while the darker blue surfaces create contrast and give the interior a much stronger identity. The metallic detailing then adds just enough sophistication without overwhelming the space. The lower level is the heart of the Sky Royale. This is where you spend most of your time during the day, and the layout has been designed around that idea. A large luxury sofa provides the main relaxation area, accompanied by additional premium seating arranged around the dining space. Because the main bed is moved to the upper floor, the lower level doesn't need to be converted into a bedroom every night. That makes a huge difference. In many motorhomes, the living area has to perform several different jobs. A sofa may become a bed at night. A dining table may need to be folded away, and the entire interior can feel like it is constantly being rearranged. The Sky Royale takes a different approach. The lower floor remains a genuine living space. You can sit down, relax, have a meal, watch entertainment, work, or simply enjoy the scenery without changing the basic configuration of the cabin. The result is a much more residential feeling. Large windows run along the sides of the living area, allowing natural light to enter from multiple directions. When the vehicle is parked in the mountains, beside a lake, or in a forest, the surrounding landscape becomes part of the interior experience. This is particularly important for a luxury motorhome because the view is part of the reason you travel in the first place. The dining area sits naturally within the lounge, creating a comfortable space for meals and conversation. Rather than separating the dining area into a cramped corner, the open layout allows it to remain connected with the rest of the lower level. Moving further inside, the kitchen is integrated into the side of the living area. The deep navy finish continues into the kitchen, creating a consistent design from one end of the cabin to the other. The layout provides a practical countertop, integrated sink, storage cabinetry, and built-in appliances while keeping everything relatively compact. The kitchen isn't designed to dominate the room. Instead, it sits neatly against the wall, so the central walkway remains open. That is important in a motorhome, because usable floor space is just as valuable as storage. The cabinetry provides space for everyday supplies and equipment, while the clean surfaces help maintain the premium appearance of the interior. Everything is designed to feel integrated rather than looking like individual RV components added one after another. And then there's another major feature on the lower level that makes this motorhome much more practical: the bathroom. The bathroom is positioned downstairs, which is exactly where you would want it in a double-decker design. You don't have to climb upstairs simply to use the bathroom, and the main living level remains a complete self-contained environment. The bathroom can accommodate the essential facilities expected in a luxury motorhome, including a dedicated shower area, toilet, sink, storage, and premium fixtures. Its design would naturally continue the same navy, cream, and metallic theme used throughout the rest of the cabin, with the lounge, dining area, kitchen, and bathroom all located downstairs. The lower floor effectively becomes a complete luxury apartment on wheels. And because the sleeping area has been moved upstairs, the lower level can remain open and comfortable throughout the day. The staircase is what connects these two experiences. Rather than treating the upper floor like a simple bunk, the internal staircase creates a proper transition between the living level and the private bedroom. Its refined design fits naturally into the premium interior and reinforces the feeling that the Sky Royale has two genuine levels rather than a single cabin with a small loft. Now let's move upstairs. The upper level is primarily dedicated to the single main bed, creating a private, sleeping environment separated from the activity downstairs. This is one of the defining ideas behind the Sky Royale. Instead of placing several beds throughout the motorhome, the concept gives one primary sleeping space its own dedicated floor. Large windows surround the upper area, creating an elevated panoramic environment. Because the bedroom is positioned above the main living level, occupants can enjoy a different perspective from the rest of the vehicle. Imagine parking beside a mountain, opening the upper windows in the morning, and looking across the landscape from this elevated position. That is something a conventional rear bedroom simply cannot provide. At night, the separation between the two floors becomes even more valuable. The lower level can remain a lounge and entertainment space, while the upper level provides a quieter, more private bedroom environment. This is where the double-decker architecture really proves its purpose. Now, when it comes to performance, we need to make one thing clear. The Lexus Sky Royale is a concept-style interpretation rather than an officially announced Lexus production motorhome, so there are no official performance specifications for this exact vehicle. However, if a vehicle like this were engineered around Lexus hybrid technology, the focus would most likely be smoothness, refinement, efficiency, and long-distance comfort rather than extreme acceleration. Lexus already has extensive experience with hybrid systems, including the LM Luxury MPV. The current LM350H uses a 2.5-liter self-charging hybrid system and produces 260 horsepower in the European specification, with E4 all-wheel drive. A much larger double-decker motorhome would naturally require a powertrain and chassis setup adapted to its additional size and weight. For the Sky Royale, I would expect strong low-speed torque, smooth automatic operation, carefully tuned suspension, powerful braking, and advanced stability systems to be more important than outright speed. The height of the second floor would also make chassis engineering especially important. Engineers would need to pay close attention to weight distribution, suspension tuning, body rigidity, braking, and high-speed stability. This isn't supposed to be a sports car. It is supposed to be a refined, long-distance cruiser where the driver feels relaxed and passengers can enjoy the interior without being disturbed by excessive road noise or harsh suspension movement. And then we reach the question everyone wants answered: the price. Because the Sky Royale is a concept rather than an official production Lexus, there is no confirmed MSRP. But if a vehicle with this level of custom bodywork, double-decker construction, premium materials, advanced technology, specialized chassis engineering, luxury kitchen and bathroom facilities, and a dedicated upper bedroom were actually produced, I would estimate a starting price around $450,000 US. A highly customized version could realistically move beyond $600,000 depending on the powertrain, interior specification, technology, and level of bespoke construction. At that price, this wouldn't be an ordinary recreational vehicle. It would be a private luxury residence that happens to travel. And that is ultimately what makes the 2026 Lexus Sky Royale so interesting. The exterior gives it the presence of a premium luxury vehicle, but the interior transforms that idea into something much more practical. Downstairs, you have the main lounge, dining area, integrated kitchen, bathroom, entertainment space, and access to the driving cabin. Upstairs, you have a dedicated private bedroom. Every floor has a clear purpose. The lower level is for living. The upper level is for sleeping. And together, they create a travel environment that feels much more organized than a conventional single-level motorhome. For me, that's the strongest part of the Sky Royale concept. It isn't trying to win by simply being enormous. It is using vertical space intelligently to create a luxury environment while maintaining a distinctive and relatively elegant exterior. It also gives the owner something that most motorhomes don't: a genuine sense of separation between living and sleeping areas. During the day, the lower level becomes a sophisticated lounge where you can relax, dine, cook, work, or enjoy the scenery. At night, you move upstairs into your private sleeping space and leave the living area completely open for the next morning. That is a much more natural way to use a luxury motorhome. And when you combine that clever layout with the deep blue exterior, Lexus-inspired front design, panoramic glass, premium lower-level interior, dedicated bathroom, and elevated bedroom, the Sky Royale becomes a concept that feels genuinely different. It isn't simply a luxury RV. It is a two-story interpretation of luxury travel. The 2026 Lexus Sky Royale may exist here as a concept, but it demonstrates how dramatically the traditional motorhome formula could change when designers stop thinking only about length and start thinking vertically. A luxury lounge downstairs, a private bedroom upstairs, and the freedom to take both of them wherever the road leads. That is the idea behind the Lexus Sky Royale. And honestly, if a double-decker luxury motorhome like this ever became a real production vehicle, it would be very difficult to ignore when it arrived on the road. This is the 2026 Lexus Sky Royale, a futuristic two-level luxury motorhome designed to make the journey itself feel like part of the destination. If you enjoyed this tour, stay with Nitro Wings for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury vehicles, and automotive concepts that push the boundaries of what a vehicle can become.